Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. Yes, it's the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, January the 13th, 2025. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2, the 3, and the 4-star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles in this afternoon, so there's a lot of puzzles for a day. Okay, this one will be number 9, 8, 9, 6, 9, 8, 9, 6. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 29 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. 4 digits more. Well, 0 stars. Need to be faster than 14-30 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is it a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Okay. Let me see which number I can pick. How about in this column we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, on the last column. The only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, need a 1 there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 now in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see digit number 1. Right, 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2, 3, 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in the third column are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this row. No 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 4. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left, 4 it should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Here also 7 and a 5. Well, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. One box left now in this big square for number 5. In the 5 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here. Oh, there we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Then let me see how about the 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this third row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, okay. Then let me see. I need a 9 and a 2 here. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 5 should be there. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 2 and 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 6, I cannot continue with the 6 now, I need to wait. How about the number? Yeah. I'm thinking. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I need a 7 here. In this big square, we need a 7. Well, the 7 could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7 and 9. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So here, no 7. There should be the 7, and this box should be a 9 then. 9, 9. Need a 9 or there. A 9. Yeah. Come on. 1 box left now in the middle column for number, I believe the 9. Yeah, 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Yeah. 5, 7, and need a 2 here. 5, 7, and 2. Need a 7 here. So I need a 7 there. Okay. Here can be 7. 1, 4. No. Okay, 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. 2 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, the 2 could be here, could be there. Oh. I need a 9 here, 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 3 here. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Come on. Need 3 here. Need 3 there. 2, 3. Yeah. 2, 3, and I need a 9 in this row. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 9. Here we have a 9. That means in this column, the 9 should be in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left, 7 should be there. 2 in the 7, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column. I believe the 6 is missing here. Then I need a 5 here. 5. Need an 8. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7 and a 5. Come on, come on. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 1 box left now in the last column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 or 3, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 3. 2 or 3, we have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars, faster than 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.